So we're in Clovis, California. We just finished installing a shutoff valve here at the toilet. Unfortunately, the old one was glued on, and this was snapped off. Someone had tried to turn it off and maybe a little too hard, but anyways, it was damaged and leaking. So we had to shut the water down to the home. And what we've done instead of a glue on is we gave you a glue on adapter. So it's a 1/2 inch CPVC slip by thread fitting, and then of course a shutoff valve there that screws on. And so just be mindful, if you ever have anybody work on this, you can't just put a wrench on this shutoff valve and start turning, because you'll snap that plastic pipe. So you've got to put a wrench on the plastic to hold it still, and then take that off and replace it. So anyways, it's about an hour to dry. I would give it 2 hours at least, and then you can turn the water back on. Right now the faucet is in the shutoff valve is in the off position. So let me get a picture here so you can see it's pointing to the left. So if you just grab this and you turn it a quarter turn, right, so it's pointing straight ahead, that is on, and then that is off. Be mindful, don't crank it on and keep turning. It's real easy to operate, just right there till it's off. And this way, you know, the only thing that you're going to do is you know, you're going to open it up when we're done. We're going to leave it off for right now, and then when you go to turn the water on, just open it up. So right now it's off to the left, that's open to the front. And so when you go out front, it's got a quarter turn ball valve out there. You're going to start pushing it straight down on the yellow handle, and just go a little bit at a time and monitor this. You're going to monitor the joint here to make sure that no water's coming out here. You're also going to monitor right here to make sure no water's coming out of these threads, okay? And then as you begin to turn the water on more and more until it's all the way on, and then you can come in here and open up the sink faucet and run some water through the hot and the cold side, you know, just to get all the air out of the lines and get the water going. And then from there, you're free to set your toilet. You got a supply line, you got a new toilet coming, and so you can take this off right here and just go ahead and put your supply line on and get it tied into the toilet. But just be gentle with this thing. You know, it's plastic, and so that's not a. We like rigid pipe, whether it's copper or brass, especially brass, very thick. So, anyways, leave it set for about 2 hours from now. And then any trouble with this, give us a holler. We'll come out and take care of it right away. Outside of this installation is done.